So, does your router have a USB port on it? And if it does, do you actually know what it's for? Most people don't. It's literally sitting on the back of the router doing nothing. And honestly, it's one of the most underrated features your router has. So in this quick video, I'm going to break down exactly why that USB port exists and what you can realistically use it for today. Alright, here's the simple idea. You load your files onto a USB drive, plug it into your router, and suddenly every device in your home, your phone, tablet, laptop, smart TV, can access those files. Family photos, documents, shared passwords, movies you downloaded legally, anything you want your whole household to reach. Let me walk you through how to set this up. It's actually really quick. First, take a USB stick, put whatever files you want on it, and plug it straight into the USB port on the back of your router. Now on your browser, go to your router's IP address and log in. Once inside, head over to Advanced, USB Settings, File Sharing. Step 3. Make sure the router detects your USB. You should see the USB drive listed with its volume, capacity, and name. If it shows up perfect, you're good to move on. Step 4. Set authentication. Before anyone accesses your shared files, you can require a username and password. This is great for privacy. Just create a user account inside the router settings and hit save. Personally, I keep everything inside my home network only, so turn off FTP and disable anything that exposes your files to the internet. Click Save. Step 6. Select what you actually want to share. You have two options: share the entire USB, or share only specific folders. For example, if you only want to share a family accounts folder, just add that folder manually and save your settings. You can also block access from the guest Wi-Fi network and enable read-write permissions if needed. Look for the network path that your router displays. It usually looks like TP share. Use that on your computer, enter the username and password you created, and you'll see your shared folders exactly the way you configured them. And that's pretty much it. If you've got questions or want more tutorials like this, drop a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech guides.